So we're permitted. We're advancing the permitting process over the balance of the resource, but we can sell product now. We have first stage processing, which is wash and sort. As I said, we're open to the sky. There's nothing to remove here. It's just silica staring at the sky. And the mining technique here is front end loader into a hopper and a conveyor belt and a conveyor system. So we're in the process of commercializing our product. We have a team now that are working on that relative to talking to industrial players in Brazil and elsewhere, preferably international companies that have presence in Brazil and elsewhere. And that's an ongoing process. We were in meetings today, actually, with one of those. So we're in the commercialization process. We're permitted. We can sell now. That's not the key function of why we're building our business, though. The key function of why we're building our business is to bring that other capacity to the resource. So our plan is to build a solar glass facility next to the resource. As I stated previously, our silica is perfect. Literally, Mother Nature made it for solar glass. When you wash our silica, it's less than 10 ppm iron. The Chinese hurdle rate for iron in solar glass silica is 120. They're cheating on that now and just adding more antimony to the product, which is creating a recycling nightmare in the solar industry around the world. And we can help fix that as well. So our big focus as far as big capex and big production is to utilize our silica in our solar glass facility in Brazil. That'll be somewhere around 300,000 tons a year on first throughput. And that will produce 5 gigawatt equivalent of solar glass. And the Chinese cannot compete with us in Brazil on solar glass because the cost of solar glass is 60+% in the logistics of moving it from where you produce it. So if you're producing it in China and you're selling it in Brazil, you can't compete with a solar glass producer in Brazil.